Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to learn about some important concepts, some basic information, but very much important for upcoming various competitive examination like wbset, even wbsc, SLST. Even it will be helpful for upcoming CTET examination and wbtet also. So I hope this video will be effective for you all. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, what is the origin of the term psychology? So psychology, the term psychology has been derived from two Greek words. First is psyche, second is logos. Psyche means the soul and logos means the study or the science. So psychology, actually the concept of psychology or etymological meaning of psychology is the study of the soul, and it was believed by Plato and Aristotle. And they are actually an ancient, we can say they are the ancient philosophers who believed this particular concept. But it was criticized, and then the concept of psychology has been changed, and it was the study of mind. But it was also criticized. So the concept of psychology has been also changed, and it was the study of consciousness, and it was believed by Wilhelm Wundt, and he is called the father of psychology. After that, the concept of psychology was also changed. It was the study of the behavior. And in modern aspect, in modern concept, psychology is basically the scientific study of human behavior and human mind. And educational psychology, it is a branch of psychology. Here, psychological principles are used in educational field. For this reason, the teaching learning process is changed, and it was actually, we can say, it was changed from teacher-centered to learner-centered. In today's time, child or children is the center point in educational center. All teaching learning process will be going on according to the needs of the children, according to the capacity, interest of the children. So this is the basic concept of psychology and educational psychology. Next, we can say very important questions related to psychology and educational psychology. First of all, the father of psychology is called Wilhelm Wundt, and in 1879, Wilhelm Wundt established an experimental laboratory in Germany, Leipzig, and it was the first psychological laboratory. And in 1916 in Calcutta, an experimental laboratory was established by Narendranath Sengupta, and the father of psychology is called Edward Thorndike. We can say Edward Lee Thorndike. So these are important factual questions which are most frequently asked in various competitive examination like CTET, wbtet or any other teaching related examination. Next concept is different schools of psychology. What are the different schools of psychology? This topic is very important. First school is structuralism. And the father of structuralism is called Wilhelm Wundt, and also Edward Titchener, we can say an important proponent of this particular school of psychology. And the main concept of structuralism is that it is basically the study of the structure of human mind or consciousness. And here, introspection method is used. Second school of psychology is functionalism. Here, William James, John Dewey are the key proponents of the school of psychology. Here, the main focus is on the function of human mind, how human mind works, and how does it help to adapt the environment. And actually, this school of psychology is based on the evolutionary theory of Charles Darwin. Here, the father of functional theory is called William James. These are the very important. Third school of psychology is behaviorism. J.B. Watson, even Pavlov, B.F. Skinner are the key proponents of the school. Here the main focuses on observable behavior, stimulus-response bonding, how a person behaves towards the stimulus. This is the basic things of behaviorism. Next school is Gestalt psychology. Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang Kohler, Kurt Kafka are the main proponents of Gestalt psychology. Here the main focus is on perception, wholeness. Here an important definition. This is actually the whole is the greater than the sum of the part. Here the main focus is on whole rather than parts. A person perceives a thing as a whole, not just observe it in various parts. So this is the basic things of Gestalt psychology. Then is psychoanalysis. The father of psychoanalytic theory is called Sigmund Freud. He was actually a neurologist. He worked very much on unconscious mind. How we can say how unconscious mind, its feelings, impact on human behavior. And three layers of mind are suggested by Sigmund Freud. First is conscious, second is preconscious or subconscious, third is unconscious. So this is the important concept of this particular school of psychology. Then the next school is humanistic school of psychology. And here Abraham Maslow, then Carl Rogers are important key proponents. Here the main focus is on the needs of hierarchy. Different needs like physiological needs, safety needs, self-esteem, self-actualization. These are very important needs. Even ideal self, actual self, personal growth, free willing. Even this school emphasizes human characteristics, a person's unique characteristics, how one person is different from other. So this school is emphasized on this particular concept. Then next school is cognitive school. Here the main focus is on mental processes, our memory, problem solving skills, intelligence, then our thinking process. So these are important things in cognitive school of psychology, our schema also. And here the main proponent are Jean Piaget, Noam Chomsky. Next school is socio-cultural school of psychology. Here the main influence, the main important part is social, or we can say cultural, society and social cultural part. How a person behaves according to the society, according to the interaction between society. How culture or socio-cultural characteristics impact on a particular person. Lev Vygotsky, then Albert Bandura are actually deal with, or we can say are the key proponents of this school of psychology. And other important school of psychology like biological, or we can say biological school of psychology. Here Charles Darwin, an important proponent. Here the main focus is on hereditary factor, genital factor, biological factor, how impact those factors on human behavior. Next is evolutionary school of psychology. And here the main focus is on human behavior. How does human behavior change according to the time, according to the situation? So these are important schools of psychology, and various questions are framed from this topic. Most of the factual questions and also understanding level questions will be framed from this topic for we can say for upcoming various competitive examination in education subject. So I hope this information will be useful, will be effective for you all. So please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and also follow this channel. Thank you.